Hello Earth, welcome to episode 3 of season 3 of Making Cell, a series of videos where I record myself designing and implementing a programming environment called Cell. If you're just tuning in for the first time, I recommend you go to github.com/autocolonel/cell, link in the description, so that you know what this is about. And we're going to continue where we left off yesterday, which is we were doing the... what were we doing? Yes, we were doing the editor, and in particular, we had a couple of to-dos here. So we're going to continue that. I have a bit of an allergy. Sorry for the extra noises. So yeah, let's just, we need to make this start. All right. This one. So, fix the second click, not making it an input. Yeah, exactly. So I have this editor here. I click on a step. Yeah, so the first time it's nothing and it becomes this. The second time they are equal, and then therefore what's now this? It says editing true. So it has editing true. The issue is not there. The issue is yeah, the problem is there in this function here. Yeah, same problem I had above when I was trying to compare it, right? Excuse me for just a minute. Okay, I'm back. So if the path is the same, I thought I did it somewhere. Yes, this one. Oh, I have it already selected there, right? Yeah, of course. I don't need it again. So now it should work. And it did work. Something else broke. Something else is missing there. Because when I click, I also need to compare if it's that one, right? I need the comparison is like this. Because otherwise it could be something like this. Click, click. No. But yeah, this should not trigger that indeed. That's a good way to find it indeed. Yes. Okay, now I can fix the error 67. cursor element, of course. And it worked. That's very nice. Some energy. Does this ever happen? Yeah, it definitely happens there. So now we can implement some fun stuff. We need the also correct, yeah. So this one is done. So we can key down. So we need to catch everything that is not inside the, yeah, I know how. Key code. Yes. It's key down. Yeah. This should work. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Yes. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is the following. It is a cursor and the cursor. If there's no cursor or the cursor is not in editing mode, don't do anything. If no, we're gonna have some fun. How so? So I'm making a lot of noises. Maybe this is going to slowly morph into an ASMR channel. Yeah, probably doesn't help that I'm sniffling. It really detracts from the ASMR vibe. Well, actually, yeah, I don't want it to be. Why is it catching those ones? It shouldn't. But that doesn't say key. I'm a silly goose here. It's this one, right? Yeah, exactly. So it was working. Yeah. Okay, so now this will work. This will not. And that's good. That's exactly what I want. So let's now catch the keys. I will also have to fix it with this one. Or what I can do is I can remove the cursor when I type something here, but that would be annoying, really annoying. Let's just do it right now. This text area, how to get in vanilla JS the element on which the focus is. This is ES3. Yes, that's what I mean. Yes. Beautiful. What were the innovations of i6? Interesting. The first position fixed. Hover. Interesting. So i6 was definitely a pioneering browser. I got that from Douglas Crockford, actually, believe it or not. Yeah, Ajax. This is right here. Everything. It's pretty crazy that Microsoft created that. So crazy. Wow. Wow. Okay. So where were we? We were saying document active focus, right? Active element, sorry. I guess I could even do it like this. Well, if there's no cursor, there's nothing to be done. But I maybe can do this. No, it's not working anymore. Oops, this one. Ah, the body is the active element. Yeah, sure, that's not what I want. Okay, given a DOM element, how can I get its type? Like input, text area, body, etc. Tag name. If input text area includes active element, okay, it works. It also should not work now. And then when I do this, now it stopped working. Why? It's the body. So why are you not registering keys? Ah, because it has to be one of these, of course. Oh, that's so nice. Okay, time to have fun now. So we can do left, right. Left is 37 or 74. I have a key code. If cursor index greater than 0, set cursor. The change should go bubble up. Yeah, it should definitely work. I will set cursor index to cursor index -1, and this is yeah. Yes. No, sorry, I'm not. It's like, so it's not 74. It should be 72. The cursor index is less it's not movement. Ah, I just finished. Okay. Maybe we can jump a bit our topics. It's too much. What we can do, perhaps, what was it? Yeah. This, yes. Actually, this is way too much, so let's just put one song. Yeah, this one. So let's get the key codes now. It's interesting, in BIM I never use this and this almost ever, because I use B to jump word by word, or W to go forward. Okay, let's use those two as well. Why the hell not, right? 72. and 66. Nice, so we need something better. Honestly, all can use includes, right? Yeah, exactly. What's going on? Oh yeah, that one. So let's go right. It will be 39, 76, and 87. So now I will do tac. Oh, this is fantastic. I cannot go forward. I can move around in data. I mean, of course, I can do it in Vim, but in Vim, it's dead, and here is the chance of it being alive. The data, I mean. Okay, now top and bottom. This is very inefficient. One day. It's only efficiency, honey. Oh, because I need to be careful with the abridged, right? Oh, that's gonna be fun. Because I don't want to go here, right? It's like you cannot go there. That's gonna be quite interesting because that data actually it's there available. I can just compare it by prefix. Okay, the keys. That we can always do, right? Yes. Okay, up, and it's now of course down and up. Up is the right one. That makes sense. Up and right. If you right, left to right, and you believe in progress. So it will be 75 and 38. Yeah, those are the two. 38 and 75. If path index up, not top, up, -1. Let's chicken out for a bit. Sticking out is good sometimes. Yeah, okay, now I want it to be in the same index. I need the range. I will do the stop because I need to build it up. How do I find a prefix? I need to keep on going. Yeah, equal doesn't equal. If you stop with a certain value, you can return the index. Oh, that's smart. Well, not smart, just I don't know how to call it. It's definitely not wise either. With this data stop, you go over the new path. Come on. The path has a range, so I keep on going. Yeah, I think it's the first time I do this pattern. So I would do something bk, and then I would do like if actually just do strict comparisons because they're all text or number. Path k equals, I guess b equals path k. That's better expressed. Return k. Because that's get rid of the abridged. And then the range I want to express is an array. And this is why nobody wants to code with me, because I do stuff like this. Oh, this is so good. Actually, let's go with the other guys. Was it this one? No, let's rest in peace. What was that song? There's a new way. Speed cells, of course. And my maximum is new path length. Bam, 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 da 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 da. So if the index falls, below the minimum, index is less than range 0, index is range 0. The people write. I'll be the first in line. So good. Okay. Why didn't it work? Because I did up only. Silly. Okay, path another file 62. Yeah, cursor path. Yeah. Okay. And if, for example, I do something like this. Yeah, what was I expecting there? Because I cannot compare it with the previous one. I have to compare it with the one before it, right? It's the one before it. It's okay. Oh my, how am I going to refactor this? No, let's just go with yeah, that is correct. No. Yes, that is correct. What am I doing here? It's new path. My, was very smart except for the dumb part. Why 2, 4 here? And the length should be -1 because it's all 0 indexed. Yeah, okay. Okay, now we're getting there. And of course it's range 1 here. Yeah, why is it not setting it to the proper one, which is 2? Of course, it's cursor index, my... Yeah. Alright, now it should work. Yes, look at that. Okay, let's go down. Yeah, but it's gonna have a lot of repetition, this thing. What I can do is really it's really the numbers, the -1 and the -2 and the -1 that are changing. The rest is there. 40. $40.74. Actually, split them. No, let's just. Offset. I can do it like this. Offset. If it's up, it's minus actually. No, that's one that has nothing to do. Yeah, just twice. One to get the path. Oh yes. Oh, almost. Well, when I have to. Okay, that one doesn't work. Well, why? When I'm going down, when I'm going down, I have to compare it still with the previous one. Right? When I'm going down. Because it works on the way up. But when I'm going down, I have to compare it with yourself. We can do it like this. Is it up? 0. Price on P's. It's working. All right. P cells. I can stop moving around. Ah, there's an issue there. Yeah, why there's no path am I going up? Ah, because there's something called expanded there. Expanded. Okay, we're going to figure it out tomorrow. Okay, we need to reorganize the cell. Organize the cell. I'm very happy with this session. Thank you for watching. See you next time.